Alright, so I finally stopped being lazy and I got my car unloaded off the trailer. I'm actually going to work on it. Last event I was at, I kind of had some issues with it, with the clutch slipping. And what symptoms were happening was pretty much I would do so many clutch kicks and it would build pressure in the lines, it felt like, in my foot. And so I was like, I tried changing the slave before, same symptoms, so I'm leaning to the master on this one. And I have a brand new master at my shop. I just gotta get extension or adapter for the line. But yeah, we're about to make a trip to All Hose right now, and I got an extra slave and the line with me. So I'll be like, hey, put this together and make it happen. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna fix the car. Hopefully that fixes it and I don't have to pull the trans, but we'll find out. Alright, so I acquired a line. This is kind of like a quick fix because the reason that I bought that master for a long time ago was kind of for an internal slave for like a dog box or something like that. But being the fact that I'm still running an R154 trans, I had to improvise here. So I added another foot to it, got both ends to match here, and hopefully that's enough length, but I think we should be good. Maybe my clutch is out. Who knows? Alright, so this is what I'm working with. I got a Willwood 3/4 master. I got the adapter plate for the Nissan 240. And here's my new line. So we're gonna hook all this stuff up and then see if that fixes my car. Alright, so I got the hood popped on this thing. Car's up in the air. And this is what we gotta remove. So we're gonna take this out. I already popped the line off. I just need to get those two bolts, the one on the clutch, and snag it out of there and put the new one on, and should be good to go. I don't know if it's gonna fix it or not, but hopefully it does, and we can rib it, and it'll be fine. And I don't have to change a clutch or anything. That would kind of suck. All right, got the new line on here. Getting ready to fill her up. Hope I set the clutch pedal right, and we should be good. All right, so I think we got it. We bled the system. We actually turned it on, tried it out. Seems to be okay. I feel like I got a lot more issues than just that, but kick this thing on, Sierra. All right, now press that clutch in. Hear that sweet sound of that throwout bearing? Sounds bad, but that indicates that the clutch is working. All right, you can stop now. It sounds bad. Oh God. All right, we got to swap the tires in the rear and drop this thing on the ground and wash it. Super dirty. But yeah, that fixed the problem, I guess. I don't know. If I start driving it, and it fails, then we'll see. Is that the one that I told you that I got?
Yeah, I didn't get the big boy 1800.
Right, that's the same size.
Yeah. I didn't want to
yeah.
you, but
I don't know. Oh!
Corey came through, brought the wing, super hyped.
Yeah.
Did you see those pins and shit that he was handing out? It says my car's a magnet.
Yeah.
I gave me one of those.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, so the real reason we're here is
this wing. Yeah.
We're gonna mount that BCL wing in the back of his hatch. You got a drill?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's flipped?
I think the brackets are supposed to be in. That's what.
Yeah, I think you're right. And this is the third time.
Trial and error, dude. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Not because I smoke weed. No, I'm just kidding. You did it too. You were like,
I didn't.
this is how it goes, and you started doing that.
Yeah, but I'm just dumb. I don't smoke weed. I'm just dumb.
Dude, out of all the times like people ask that you smoke weed, like I'm surprised you don't. Because sometimes the shit you do, I'm like, Jesus Christ, I don't even do that.
Damn, boy, you gonna be hot, boy. Look at that thing.
Right there, dude. That's where it would sit.
Dude, all right, come back here. Here, let me hold it. You go over there and look at your car.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. If I would have went bigger wing, it would have been too much, I think.
Oh fuck. Oh, finally grit. Okay, right here. Oh. I can just smell the burnt paint on this thing.
It's all good. No one sees the undercarriage.
Nobody sees that shit.
I mean, come on, Josh. We got fucking fully caged drift cars.
Yeah. This thing's aggressive. You like it?
I do.
Alright.
I'm hyped.
It looks a lot cooler. You look a lot cooler.
It's still ugly though.
Yeah, I mean, you can't help that. Alright, so Vegas trips is today. I'm gonna fire up the car and actually take it down there. So I'll be taking all the cars that are actually gonna be driving. And yeah, probably snag a ride along here too. Maybe let me do a lap, I don't know. I know she's about to be cold, so she's not gonna fire up first go. Let's see. Come on, baby. How many rotations is it gonna take? Come on. Alright, let that starter cool for a second. Come on. That battery better not die on me. Oh my god, it's gonna die. That battery is gonna die on me. God damn. I'm gonna have to hook my truck up to it. Let's not touch these at all. Happens every time I open my door. The car is so cold, like it takes a lot to actually start vehicles with like race fuel and like a tune. Ready? Woo! God damn! There's a lot of fuel in that thing. Hopefully the drive down there will actually recharge the battery a little bit. But then again, it'll warm up in the daytime, so it won't be that hard to start. Go for it, go for it. It's got the wheels lifted up now.
It's easier going in than coming out.
It's easier going in than coming out. Yeah, let's hammer that down, huh?
Yeah, we have to hammer it down and fucking pull it out. The V-band got it.
Hey, let's go! I think you need more low. 20s and more lower.
That's motherfucker lucky I brought my ramp.
Look at that thing. I can fit my whole penis in there. You're driving that thing home. Get it, baby. Alright, let's go. Let's go party.
Yes, I try. Yes, I try. Your love to me. Even though you know I die for you. Your love to me. Yes, I cry. Yes, I cry. Return of the man. It is. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man.
Tell your people about me.
Can you drop me off right here? Right,
That'd be $20.95. I got cash out.
Got the child locks on back there.
Yeah, it worked.
Alright, so me and Trav are gonna run one. I don't have much tires left, but I think my car's gotta warm up a little bit. Alright, okay.
This goes out to my trifling ass baby mama.